Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve the battery life of your device. Okay, let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. To do that, open the Quick Access panel and let's take a closer look at all the items. For example, if you are not using Wi-Fi right now, but only using the mobile network, then disable the Wi-Fi. So just disable it if you are using only mobile data and not using Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi but you are not using mobile data, just disable mobile data. Because this will save your battery power, as the phone will not search for an unused network. If you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi uses less battery power. Okay, next, pay attention to Bluetooth. If you don't need Bluetooth right now, just disable it. Because if Bluetooth is on, it's constantly looking for new devices nearby, and this also consumes your battery power. Moving on, Android has geolocation services and enabled by default. This consumes a lot of your battery power. So to turn off your geolocation, you need to find it on your Certain. As you can see, I have it disabled, but if you have it enabled, just disable it. If you have no location button here, you need to find it clicking on this button. Click edit switches, find it here. For example, you can have it here. You need to click and hold on it, and drag it up and click done. Then disable your location. You can disable NFC. NFC consumes your battery too, and that's it. Okay, so the next step is to enable power saving mode. In order to turn on the power saving feature, open the settings application, then scroll down, find here battery, and as you can see, I have enabled performance mode. Of course, performance mode, as you can see, power consumption and device temperature will increase, so we need to disable power performance mode and enable power saving mode. Okay, and as you can see, in save power mode, save power by disabling features such as always on display and auto syncing. It's a good feature to increase your battery life. Yeah. So cool. As you can see, we have no extra power saving mode, super power saving mode. So we can use only power saving mode, and of course, as you can see, as you know, you have OLED display on your device, and OLED display has many LED diodes on your screen, hundreds and thousands of diodes. And if you want to consume less of battery power, you need to enable dark mode on your device. So just open display. It's not working for IPS displays. It's working only on LED displays. So just open dark mode, click enable all day, and now dark parts of your screen are disabled and not consumes your battery power. Okay, and great. That's it. It's all you can do to improve your battery life on Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you again.